Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to make a silhouette image with a picture in Canva. So here I am in my Canva dashboard, and for example, I will create a blank presentation. So here is the Canva editor. And then for example, I will insert an image right here. So let's just search for some elements right here. So I'll just search for a man, and it would be helpful if the image that you are going to choose doesn't have a background. So for example, I will choose a image from this one. So I will choose this image right here. And then in order to make this image have a silhouette, we need to click on the image. I'll just arrange it to the center and then click on edit. And then from here, we will choose duotone here in effects. So click on it and you can choose any tone that you want. For example, I will choose mono. And then from here, we will change the highlights into black as well as the shadows. Let's change it to black as well. And as you can see, we now already have this silhouette image. But if you want to have like a half effect, what we can do is that we can duplicate this image and then we will remove the duotone and then align it with our previous image and then just drag the box right here until you reach the center. And then now you have this half image and half silhouette effect. You can also drag this one if you only want the face, or you can also drag it like this. So it just depends on your preference. But what if you have like an image? So for example, I'll create a blank page right here. And then let's go ahead and add this image. And then what we are going to do is that we are going to remove the background first. So I will set this as the background. And then let's edit the image. And then let's remove the background. So the background remover here in Canva is a premium feature. So keep that in mind. You need to use a premium Canva account. But you can also use third-party websites. So for example, you have an image. You can just go ahead and search for background remover. Then for example, use this remove.bg website right here and then upload your image. And then now that we have the background removed, we're going to do the same thing. We are going to use a duotone and then choose a black highlight and black shadows. Now we have this silhouette image. We can duplicate this. So we can detach it from the background. Then duplicate this. And then remove the duotone effect. And then just do the same thing. And then that is it. That is how we make a silhouette image using a picture here in Canva. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.